T-Mobile Home Internet allows you to manage connected devices through the T-Mobile app or web portal at internet.tmobile.com. Device management includes renaming devices for easy identification, like changing a MAC address to living room TV. You can also pause internet access temporarily or block devices entirely. Managing devices is crucial for security, controlling usage, and prioritizing bandwidth. All actions require the account owner's login, and two-factor authentication is recommended for added security. As of 2025, the app includes AI features that recommend names and identify devices based on usage patterns. To manage your devices, open the T-Mobile app. Navigate to the Internet section. Then select Connected Devices. You'll see a list of all devices connected to your network. Tap on the device you want to manage. You'll have options to rename, pause, or block it. Renaming a device is straightforward. Simply enter a new name and save. Pausing a device will immediately halt its internet access, and you can unpause it at any time. Blocking a device will prevent it from connecting to your network until you unblock it. This is particularly useful if you suspect a device has been compromised. T-Mobile also allows assigning priority levels to devices, ensuring critical devices like work laptops get bandwidth over less essential ones using QoS protocols. All actions are logged for accountability.